Hello, question 39. Two towns X and Y are located on the point -2, -5, and 3, 7 respectively. We are to calculate the distance between the two towns. In finding the distance, remember that is just like finding the magnitude of the 2 points, which is x2 minus x1 all squared. Then we have y2 minus y1 all squared. So since we are beginning with x, this is your first x, second x, first y, second y. So with that regard, as you have the square root of my second x, which is now going to be 3, minus my first x, which is going to be -2. All these must be squared. My second y is 7 minus first y -5 all squared. So in this bracket, 3 minus what? 2 become a +5. So I have the root of +5 squared, 25. This is going to be positive. So I have 7 plus 5, which is 12. 12 squared, 144. If you add this, 169. And that will give you 13 units. 13 times 13 give you what? 169. And that will be the option what? C. And I'm sure well understood as well. So like, share, comment, and come back for the section B. This happened to be the last part of section A, because the remaining from question 40 to 50 has been repeated in Gambia and I think Gambia and Sierra Leone, their paper. So this is just a continuation. Let's continue with the section B.